What is going on, guys? It has been a while, and I have been working on coding something that I am super excited to share with you guys. So, a few years ago, I learned how to code, and I took it kind of seriously, and I tried to learn a lot, and I've been trying to do a lot of cool things. And something I always wanted to make was an audio VST. And so, for the past little while, I've been working on making my own audio VST, and I've I coded it in C++, sorry, uh, C++ using the JUCE framework to kind of put it all together. And so far, I've come up with this. It's called Codox. That's probably not the name that I'm going to have for it. Also, there's still some minor bugs on it where, as you can see, the filter runoff goes off of the filter. Why? I don't know. This also is scrollable, and I should have that fixed so the knobs are all... I should have that fixed. I should have that fixed so all of the knobs are together, and you don't have to scroll. It's kind of stupid. But here's the basic gist of it. Let me just give you an example of how it sounds. That's very basic, like default init patch. You have oscillator A, oscillator B, your sub, your noise, your filter, your amp envelope, and your filter envelope, and then you have macros down here, and then you have your little explorer here, which gives you the mix channel, and then you can kind of get everything routed here. It's all routed to main. And there's the buses. You have the effects channel. What's cool about this is they're not on. Let me just make like a basic. This is gonna sound really bad, so bear with me. Also, I should probably quantize these. Also, sorry if that's really loud. I maybe should turn it down because there's no effects on it and it's really dry. But yeah, so there's that. I mean, cool. It's not much though. So also there's a bug where it keeps going back to the front page. I don't know why. This isn't done. I'm still working hard on it. It took me a while to get here and get this to look like this and work correctly. So bear with me if you see bugs. They'll be fixed. But this is just early stages. So here we have our effects, right? So let's just, here, I don't know how loud that's going to be. So let me turn that down and play it. And then, oh my God. Okay, the chorus has this problem. I had it with the reverb and delay at first, and it does this weird pitch shifting thing, so I have to fix that. The other ones, distortion's kind of cool. You can like really crank it. The phaser isn't doing much. The flanger sounds good. Then you got your EQ and compressor. So that's super basic. And what's cool about these is they're routed as they go, and you can move the route of all of them. It's kind of cool. And then we have the matrix, which is where you can, it's your modulation matrix, where you can route everything with the LFOs that are here. And what's cool here is I have the unison and the voicing and then the master volume and all that stuff. And yeah, the unison sounds kind of cool. You add so we're getting somewhere here, and then now let's play around with it. So it's kind of a cool sound. Let's just like go into that. Let's make it a little lower. So let's make it. Now here on the oscillators we have octave, the semitone. I don't know why they're automatically -12, but yeah. So let's play this and mess around with some warp settings and moving the wavetable position around, and see if we can mess around with the envelope a little bit, maybe in the filter, and get something cool here. Let's see. You got all your warp modes. And again, these are really basic. So don't mind that. You got the sub you can add in there. The resonance sounds really good on this too. So, something I've been realizing is when you have the 16 voices on, it makes like a really afterlying effect feedback, and I've been trying to fix that. So, yeah, we'll get there. But so far, yeah, it's just a little basic. You know, you can play like, let me see if I can play like a chord. Well, that's like a bass, I guess. That sounds pretty sick. So, yeah, you got that. That's because I'm playing the keyboard and I realized that these are higher notes. So, let's go into here, and we have basic waveforms, analog waveforms, digital, spectral, FM, and additive. And let's mess around a bit. Let's go analog on them. Let's turn the effects down also. And open it because that was sounding muddy. And that release is too long. But that's a cool sound. It's kind of ass because of, you know, the unison there. But let's go back to basic mode. Just single voice. Cool, but not great. So let's keep going. Still not great. Like, bear with me here. We have a noise thing, but I don't need to add noise right now. Also, that filter is really open and it's kind of making it loud. That sounds good. So you take that, right? We'll take that, and let's take the master volume and turn it down a little bit, and let's add some reverb to that, just a tiny bit, like 18, maybe 10. I'm gonna make these a little more. I can sync that too. To the BPM, and I gotta fix all the effects. Like, they're very, very bare bones, But yeah, it sounds kind of cool so far. Like, that's cool. And then, see, I don't know why the chorus has this, like, this pitch delay thing. I don't know what it is, but it sounds kind of cool. And the phaser in there, and then that's kind of swag. And then let's open it. Now, what does that sound like? Let's say as a chord. Okay, that's a really bad chord. Don't mind me. I don't know what I'm doing. It's all right. We're getting somewhere. You know, for the sake of this, let's go and actually go into the piano roll, and then let's go generate chord progression. If you don't ever use this, this is a good tool to like kind of just do something. Let's go. We are gonna go F minor, and then let's go into here and let's do a nostalgic, and let's just generate that. Hit accept. I don't even know what it sounds like, so let's. It's somewhere. We can set that master back up. And then let's take the voices now and go one by one. 2 and then 4 and 8 and 16. So got that unison effect. Really nice. Add some width. Blend it. Change the detune. But I like it around here. Like a old happy hardcore sound. Then we got it going kind of 80s once you have 4 voices. It's a nice blend in there. And then try to have 8 voices. Now we're really starting to do this, like the resonance really in there, like yeah, you can really hear the resonance pushing through. And then 16. I don't know what it does. It adds this trailing effect. I don't know why, but I kind of like it. It goes crazy. And see, I haven't really messed with the modulation matrix yet. So let's take the LFO one, which is here, and let's put that on the filter cutoff. Let's see if this even works. I don't know if the matrix is if I linked it through the back end yet. I kind of wanted to get the front end of it ready, so let's see. No, doesn't work yet. So the matrix, the modulation matrix with LFO doesn't work yet, but yeah, you get the idea of it. And, you know, just for fun measures, let's do this, and let's go up into here, go to tools, and in the chord progression, let's go into performance and do oscillate 1. Let's hear what it sounds like first. Yeah. Okay, so we got a little, so it's a little more, you know, you got a little more here. Now, let's see what we can do with this. That sounds nice. I mean, what happens if you just turn in the release? Like, that sounds nice, dude. Yeah. And then let's turn it back up a little bit. don't know why this keeps going down 12. I don't think it's changing anything, but it just bothers me. Before that, let's go into spectral, maybe. So we get some weird noises here, and then add with the warp. But you know what? Let's go back and go to 1. So you can really hear it. See, that's taking it and kind of, you're not hearing the notes, but it still sounds kind of cool. I think when you go to 2, it'll come back a little bit. You hear it a little bit more. I don't know why it's really punching through on the 16. I think I might have the release too long. Yeah. The release was too long. But let's bring it back up to 16. And that's really nice. And then let's take that to FM. Take that off pulse width. Put it to FM. Bring that up. You get the gist of it. But yeah, so far I haven't gotten the macros to work yet. I have to link those back in like all the parameters and stuff. And yeah, got to work on the LFO. I got to work on a lot of the voicing and back end work on how this goes together. But I just want to show you guys what I've been up to, and I've been building this plugin. Codox is the name, but I genuinely don't think I'm going to call it that. That was kind of just a placeholder. That was like my nickname when I was like a little kid. It was like my AIM screen name that like my friend's brother called me. And it's always been stuck in my head, so I call things it all the time. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any thoughts or cool... Oh, also, yeah, I forgot to say. There's presets you can add in here. The ones that they added are really bad. I just made like this one that works. It's kind of the same as what was there. Like the ones that I was doing for the most part were spectral, and they all kind of sound like FME. But without the matrix and LFO settings, it's hard to get it to sound a lot different. So I have to really integrate that to make it. You can make it a lot specialer, and I have to beef up the effects and this whole layout. You know, it's whatever. But if you guys have suggestions and things that you think I should add, I'd love to hear it. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna keep doing these more because I've been having a lot of fun making this, and I'm really happy I've made a product that I can actually use. And there's also a random button. It's really bad. It just is random. So, random sound. I like whatever's happening. Yeah, so there's that. I don't know how to make that go away, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna keep doing these. More to come. Give me ideas. What should I add to it? Is there anything cool? One thing I do want to add is like I want to make the wave tables react more to the sound itself. So I'm gonna be working on that, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.